as you guys can tell by the title, and sorry if you see my shadow. Hey, sorry about my brother. He's right there. So, yeah, and I am so happy right now because I just made slime without any activator. And sorry about my brother again. I just made this slime without any activator. Well, you need glue, but you don't need activator, like any borax activator or just anything. It's kind of hard because I think I did something wrong, or maybe the slime is just like this. So I'm going to try it out again. And I did, so here, I was just making some slime, and I had a glue from a like set, right? And I just used that because that was the only glue I kind of had. So I used it, and I put in a lot of shaving cream in it. And I was about to put some baking soda in it. Well, I did put baking soda in there to make it like easier for me to activate it. And then when I started mixing, it was just foaming up or forming up, and it just became this. So yeah, I'm so curious of how I just made this, because I think baking soda had something in it, or the glue has something in it, or just the this shaving cream has something in it. But I'm pretty sure it's the glue, because this set came with this activator that doesn't work. It's not borax, so I am assuming it is water and baking soda. So yeah, because I can't believe it worked. So the glue you'll be needing is from sorry, my brother, he's sick. So yeah, is from the Nickelodeon slime kit, and you can get this at like Target. So yeah, and I got it at Target, but I have the whole set. So yeah, and I'll be showing you guys how it looks like, so you guys can buy the one. So yeah. So here's how it should look like, and it's super big. And sorry, I opened it, so sorry about that. So yeah. So buy that set if you really want to make this slime. So yeah, and I have a bowl and something mixed with, and I'm gonna throw this away later because this is kind of bad. So yeah, actually I'm gonna leave it out and see what happens. So, yeah. So first I actually mixed this slime on the table, because I was doing like a no counter challenge. So yeah, so first I'm going, oh yeah, and by the way, I will show you guys the ingredients while I get to them. So yeah, and I'm gonna make, I don't really have a lot left because I used it mostly on that slime, and I don't know why I'm throwing it away. So I'll be back when I have a good amount. So I'm finished, and I rarely have any glue in there anymore. So yeah, but this glue is really thick for some reason. So yeah, and I don't know if it works with Elmer's glue, but just follow my steps. But you could try with Elmer's glue. I don't know if it works, but you could. But I recommend this one because this really works. And I'm not gonna edit this video just to tell you it's not fake. So yeah, so you put in the glue. Oh yeah, I was just getting my shaving cream. You get 2 shaving creams. I recommend the Gillette one, and I think you have to use both of them in order for this recipe to work. So yeah, I'm just gonna use both of them since I don't know, but I'm just gonna use it since I have it, so why not use it? And you'll be needing baking soda. I don't know if I should put this in water, but I'm not actually, because I don't know if that works. So first, you add And then, next, and you could color it right now, but I'm not going to color it. So you're going to add in, I actually added in a lot, and I'm not going to add that much this time and see if it still forms. If it doesn't, I'm just going to add more, you know? But I'm already using a lot because I'm using both of them. So yeah, but this one I use so much, and it's so moisturizing, and I don't really like it. So yeah, that's why I'm throwing it away. And sorry about the background noise if you can hear me. And then you're just gonna mix that inside, and oh my god, it's already kind of forming. And you guys can see. Oh my god, guys, it's forming actually already. What? So it is the glue and the shaving cream. Guys! Oh my god. It's actually working. Okay, so I'm not gonna add in the baking soda. Never minded on the baking soda. Wow. Is that actually working? Okay. I don't. Oh, see, look at it. I told you it was a success, guys. And oh my god, this is so fluffy. I don't know if this is better or something, but then when you need it, it's kind of messy. So I actually thought you had to like make it on the table, or I thought it was the special ingredient was the shaving cream, but no. Ooh, this slime is pretty bad though. Okay, this is very, very, I don't know. This was kind of, this was a success, but I am gonna try it with element glue off of camera. And this slime makes a really weird voice. Sound. It's like you can't really poke it for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah. Bye guys, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is 100% real. So yeah. Sorry about that if you heard the background noise. And here, this is mine. And bye guys. And it's not really stretchy actually. Oh my god, look at how, see, this is how stretchy it is. It's not really slime, but anyways, bye guys.